Welcome back to the Ryviu tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding discount codes to Ryviu request emails. Step 1. Go to Email Automation in Ryviu app. First, from your Shopify admin panel, go to Ryviu app, then click Reviews, then navigate and click the email on the horizontal bar. After that, select Email Automation button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, the screen opens the settings interface for Ryviu request email, right? Step 2. Setting discount codes to Ryviu request emails. In the email settings page, go to After Review Submitted and select Thank You page with the note Set up Thank You page with a discount code. Next, move your mouse to the left and click on Customize Page. Now you can freely create and edit the discount code you want to include in your Ryviu request emails for your customers. Finally, don't forget to press the Save button to save your settings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching.